What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today's plan, the main plan, is to get the exhaust off of Dolo, and I gotta get the measurements on the drive shaft again, just to be for sure. So man, I'm gonna be going back there, jacking the back of it up. It's just too hot right now. It's just a little too hot, man. So I'm about to run to the parts store, cause we gotta get oil. I need to change the oil. I need to do that today too, change the oil on the Monte Carlo. I gotta get some more oil, cause had to use something else. So we're gonna be handling business today, man. So I gotta get a filter, I want a K&N filter for Black Haven instead of that little small filter, where the old filter, y'all know it was ripped up. I just put it on there just so he'll have something to go by with tuning and stuff. But when I get it back, I'm gonna take the clamp off, and I'm gonna take the Spectre filter back, then get the K&N, cause it'll come with a clamp. Put a brand new K&N cone filter on there, cause I'm going to pick that car tomorrow. We gotta get a transmission mount, another transmission mount for Meats, cause I let Jesse use the one that I had. I didn't really need it. It was an expensive mount, but let him use it. So I'm gonna get another mount. Cause I really didn't need a steel mount. And that is front stuff, the front rotors. Front rotors for Black Haven. Cause Black Haven come, man, I'm finna be on it. I need to get this stuff changed out ASAP. Cause it's squilling. I'm gonna get back brakes, all that stuff. I'm gonna get all this stuff new. All new back brakes, wheel cylinders, everything. I'm gonna address the brakes on the back of it. Then I'm finna get all new front brake stuff, rotors. Like I said, little brother let me have this stuff, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna put it all new for right now until we go to the wildwood. Cause when I do it, man, when I go to the wildwood setup, y'all, I'm gonna do it all at one time. I'm gonna do all the cars. Like I'm just gonna buy a bulk of stuff. Like I'm gonna buy the wildwood stuff for Dolo, R&B, Black Haven. Brown coat I ain't worried about. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't worried about brown coat. And then y'all know John Jones already got stuff on it, but John Jones won't be around too much longer. I'll give y'all details on that. But yeah, man, then tomorrow I got one more part coming in for Dolo. And then I'm gonna do a video today, man, for the BCG Hangout. I gotta put y'all on game. It's gonna be a talking video. Well, y'all probably looked at it already though. Y'all just seeing the vlog late. But yeah, I'm finna get on it, man. It's hot. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. I am back from AutoZone, man. It took a minute, cause I got a load of parts. I'm finna change this, I'm finna go ahead and change the oil on the Monte Carlo. It's bright out there. But let me show y'all what I got. I got two things of brake part cleaner. One of them gotta go over there to Lawless for the rotors. Stuff going on Meats. Most of this stuff for Lawless. I think the whole bag is except these little grommets and breathers, big boy cable you need for the alternator. Bunch of little knickknacks. Yeah, two on. And then I got another, all this stuff. Pressure hose for the power steering pump, the cap, power steering pump cap and stuff. All that go to Lawless. Then we got this right here. This stuff here for the Regal, Black Haven. We got 2 calipers, back brakes, and then we got, let me see, little hardware and stuff. Transmission mount. Oh, they go to Lawless. Bearing, you know, little stuff to put chain the front brake back over, pads and all that good stuff. Front caps, wheel studs, caliper holes, hardware. So all this stuff going on the Regal. Then y'all know, yeah, that's for the Regal too. That's a new filter, a big one instead of a little short one. Put this over here for Meach transmission mount, and that'll be that. So I'm finna come out here. I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna get all of it done at 4 o'clock. So y'all know I got about 4 or 5 hours before the sun go down. So I'm gonna do this. Change the oil on the Monte Carlo, cause they're long overdue. It's gonna be quick. Then I'm gonna roll the jack over here, jack the back of Dolo up, and look at dropping that exhaust. And I'm gonna measure the dry shaft. If I don't do nothing else, even besides dropping the exhaust, I got to measure that dry shaft car. I already paid for the big boy aluminum dry shaft for Meach. I already sent the money. Like I told y'all before previous when I bought it for Dolo, man, they ain't cheap. If you want to know, they ain't cheap, but they worth it. Aluminum dry shaft, solid U joints, 1350 U joints upgraded, billet yoke, whole 9, man. Dolo and Meach got the same thing, got the same dry shaft in them. But what people fail to realize, Dolo ain't no sleepover either. It's the appetizer now before Meach, and it run. But Meach gone, yes indeed. But I'm finna jack this joker up, man. Get this done, and then we're gonna move on over to Dolo, get the exhaust off, cause they getting close. They getting close with Meach, man. Y'all probably not gonna see another. Ain't no probably in it. I ain't gonna lie to you. You ain't gonna see another update on Meach until it's home, and it's when you see it home, you'll know what time it is. That's all I'm gonna say. The updates. I ain't saying that. I ain't saying nothing. Look, man, when Meach come home, y'all gonna see it. But I will leave y'all with this. It probably gonna be fired up this week. It's a good time gonna be fired up this week or next week. Well, this week, I'm just saying, good time gonna be fired up, and probably gonna be on the ground rolling and moving around and all that stuff. Cause I ain't been playing, man. I done skint down, man, and I done bought everything I need, even the little small stuff I can think of. I got the power steering pressure hoses. I'm missing that, the cap to go on the pump. I gotta get the belt. I gotta get the belts. I don't need the power steering. I mean, I don't need the radiator hoses. Actually, called the ones that was on there fit. I got flex hoses already, but I gotta get the belts. So I hope they ain't throw the instructions away, cause it tell you what length belt you need and all that. So I grab them tomorrow. Take the belt over there. They gotta have them so they can keep it running. I got all the fluids, antifreeze, oil. I'm gonna take power steering over there. We got everything, man. We're gonna have the water pump, some switch. God, boy, I'm gonna go get them today too. I'm going back to the parts store. I'm gonna get them today. I need some toggle switches. I knew it was something, man. I need some toggle switches. I knew I was leaving some. So I'm gonna put that in my note, man. We got to get toggle switch for the nitrous system. Toggle switch for the nitrous fuel pump. I'm gonna put the other fuel pump on the key, cause that car won't be using nothing where you got to log a laptop and all that. Ain't gonna need none of that, cause you know that's the only time I like a switch on the fuel pump where it ain't just running. So we need 2. Let me see. Switch come with the nitrous thing, but I like my own. So we need 2 switches for Meach, and I'm just talking to y'all, cause it put it in my mind too. So I need them nitrous fuel pump. I think that's it. Man. I'm gonna probably put a main power shut off too, like I got. Kill all the power, like I got on brown coat too, just for safety of Meach. Cause Meach got a bomb on it, a nitrous. So, but anyway, I'm gonna quit talking, man. I'm finna get to it, man. Let me jack this thing up and let get the oil change. All right, so we're rolling on, man. Hot, boy. Whew, hot out here. I had to get some water, man. I got that done. It was quick. I got Dolo jacked up. Hopefully that's the harder part, man. I think we got these bolt together hangers, but if we don't, I'm gonna run the extension cord out there, get my sawzall, break the sawzall out, and just saw them off. They're probably what I'm gonna do anyway, cause they're gonna be the quickest. I ain't trying to be up on here all day fooling with this exhaust. The dry shell easy, they're just tape measures, but I think I'm gonna hook the sawzall up, run the cord out there, and hack them jokers off, man. So I'm gonna take y'all over there. We're gonna slide on and get this junk done, cause it's hot. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so I'm under the car. It's pretty tight on here, but let me see, hold on. Bring y'all up a little more. But y'all see the exhaust got hangers on. So my attack plan is to get the exhaust off first. Cause I need these what's the name on the rear axle too. I need jack stands on that really, cause the jack will be in the way. I can put them on the outside. I hate to do all that again, but I'm gonna have to make it easy. So I want to take the exhaust off first, cause it'll be in the way. Then it'll make measuring the dry shell even easier. So I'm gonna get my other jack stand, jack the cord higher, and slide the jack stand on the rear end. So then we can get to it easy. And this will be a breeze instead of working myself trying to go around and all that. I can slide right up here through the middle, get to it. I'm finna sweep all this stuff out the way too, so let's do it. Alright, y'all, we're checking in, man. I got y'all set up the best angle I could come up with, man, but I'm just trying to get this done, boy. I'm hot. I'm hot and I'm exhausted. I tell y'all no lie. Got to get it done though. Oh, I got a busy day tomorrow. Busy day tomorrow. Gotta take that trip. Look at that. I bet every wrench I grab, I bet it wrong. I knew it. God almighty, boy. It seemed like it was that big. It's a half inch though. I didn't think it was that big, honestly. It is. So we gotta go get another wrench. We gotta go bring the half inches. I'm gonna get the air ratchet too. Well, the battery ratchet. Cause I didn't know if it'll go up in there, but it sure work. Thought I had 13 on here. We're gonna zip these jokers off. We're gonna zip these jokers off fast, man. Then we're gonna be hope they ain't weird hit. Nah. Then we get that out the way. We're gonna measure that dry shell. Shoot, I'm gonna be off on the hill.